Hello, friends. Today we will discuss about what is book review, its purpose and step-by-step writing tips, which will help you in writing any books review. Welcome back to our channel, Books or No Books. A book review is a basic assessment and investigation of a book, normally composed by a reader or an expert commentator. It aims to provide an overview of the book's content, style, strengths, weaknesses, and overall value. Book reviews can be tracked down in different configurations, including papers, magazines, online stages, and individual websites. The purpose of a book review is to inform potential readers about the book and help them decide whether or not to read it. A decent review ought to give a reasonable and smart evaluation of the book's benefits and downsides, offering bits of knowledge into its subjects, characters, composing style, plot, and importance. Book reviews often include a summary of the book's plot without revealing major spoilers. They may also highlight the author's writing style, character development, thematic elements, and the book's overall impact on readers. While personal opinions play a role in a book review, it is essential for the reviewer to support their judgments with evidence and examples from the book. This helps readers understand the reviewer's perspective and determine if it aligns with their own tastes and preferences. Book review writing. Book review writing involves creating a thoughtful and analytical evaluation of a book to help readers determine whether they would like to read it. Here are 11 steps to follow when writing a book review. Read the book. Before writing, start by reading the book thoroughly, taking note of important details, characters, plot developments, themes, and your initial impressions. Understanding the book's content is crucial for writing an insightful review. 2. Introduction. Begin your review with an engaging introduction that provides basic information about the book. First, write the title, author, genre, and publication details. After this, you can also mention the book's overall theme or any interesting background information about the author. 3. Summary of the plot. Provide a brief summary of the book's plot, avoiding major spoilers. Focus on the central conflict, main characters, and key events. Give readers a sense of what the book is about without revealing suspense of the book. 4. Analysis and evaluation. This is the heart of your review, where you analyze and evaluate the book's strengths and weaknesses. Consider elements such as the writing style, character development, pacing, plot structure, and thematic depth. Use examples from the book to support your analysis. 5. Discuss themes and messages. Explore the book's underlying themes and the messages it conveys, like love, revenge, whatever it is. Consider how effectively the author addresses these themes and whether they resonate with readers. Discuss any thought-provoking ideas or social commentary present in the book. 6. Writing style and language. Evaluate the author's writing style, paying attention to their use of language, imagery, and overall prose. Discuss whether the writing was engaging, descriptive, and well-crafted. Mention any unique stylistic choices or any areas where the writing could be improved. 7. Character analysis. Assess the development and portrayal of the book's characters. Discuss their depth, believability, and relatability. Explore how they contribute to the story and whether their actions and motivations are well defined. 8. Comparison and context. Situate the book within a broader context. Compare it to other works by the same author, books within the same genre, or similar themes explored in literature. Discuss how the book stands out or adds something new to existing conversations. 9. Personal response. Share your personal thoughts and reactions to the book. Explain how it made you feel, whether it captured your interest, or if it fell short of your expectations. Be honest, but support your opinions with evidence from the book. 10. Conclusion and recommendation. Summarize your main points and provide a conclusion for your review. Offer a recommendation to potential readers based on your evaluation. Would you recommend the book? Who would enjoy it? You can also provide a rating or final verdict if desired. 11. Proofread and revise. Before finalizing your review, carefully proofread it for grammar, spelling, and clarity. Make any necessary revisions to improve the flow and coherence of your writing. Now your book review writing is ready. If you want, we will make you understand this with example of few books in our next video. You can also comment if you want any books review. If you are new to the channel, Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to know more writing tips. Thanks for watching and happy writing.